Choosing the wrong Forex broker could cost you more than just money. In this video, I'll break down how to choose the right Forex broker, step by step, based on your goals, risk level, and trading style. Let's get into it. And I'll also highlight some of the top brokers like IC Markets, Fusion Markets, XM, Exness, and Bybit. All official website links are in the description below. Check the regulation. First and most important, regulation, because this is what protects your funds and keeps brokers accountable. IC Markets Global is authorized and regulated by the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles. While this is considered an offshore regulator, IC Markets follows strict compliance protocols, giving clients extra peace of mind. Fusion Markets operates under 2 regulatory licenses. Fusion Markets International is a registered securities dealer in Seychelles, regulated by the FSA, and Gleneagles Securities Pty Limited, trading as Fusion Markets, is registered in Vanuatu and regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, VFSC. So even though both IC Markets and Fusion Markets are offshore regulated, they're run by reputable companies with strong client histories, and that's a big trust factor. Look at spreads and fees. Next, look at trading costs. This includes spreads, commissions, and swap fees. If you're a scalper or short-term trader, even a tiny spread matters. IC Markets offers raw spreads from 0.0 pips, making it ideal for low-cost trading. Fusion Markets also stands out here. It offers one of the lowest commissions in the industry without cutting corners. Trading platforms and tools. Then check what trading platforms the broker offers. Do they support MT4, MT5, or CTrader? Are mobile and web platforms available? XM, for example, supports MT4 and MT5 and also offers powerful research tools and educational resources, great for beginners. Account types and leverage. Choose a broker that offers account types that match your style, whether it's micro, standard, or professional accounts. Exness is known for its high leverage options and a wide variety of account types, making it flexible for both beginners and experienced traders. They also offer instant withdrawals, which many traders love. Deposit and withdrawal methods. You don't want to struggle with funding your account or withdrawing your profits. Make sure the broker supports convenient options, like local bank transfers, credit cards, crypto, or e-wallets such as Skrill and Neteller. IC Markets offers a wide range of deposit and withdrawal methods with no additional fees on their end. Withdrawals are typically processed within 24 hours, which is great for active traders. Fusion Markets also provides fast and flexible funding options, including local methods and popular e-wallets, with 0 fees from their side as well. So with both IC Markets and Fusion Markets, you can manage your money quickly, easily, and without extra cost. Customer support and reputation. Finally, check the broker's reputation and support quality. Look for 24/5 or 24/7 live chat support and genuine reviews from other traders. Fusion Markets, IC Markets, and XM, for instance, have strong reputations for responsive customer service and educational support, especially for new traders. Final recap. So here's a quick recap on how to choose the right Forex broker. Make sure they're regulated, compare spreads and commissions. Look at trading platforms, choose the right account type, check deposit and withdrawal options. And finally, make sure they have good support. Some of the most trusted names in the industry right now include IC Markets, Fusion Markets, XM, Exness, and Bybit. I've added official links to all of these brokers in the description below, so you can check them out and pick the one that's right for you. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.